boys and girls, Professor Ray Ray here, doing a new installation of his new show, The Earth is Spinning, with Professor Ray Ray, yay! Spinning, 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 can't stop the Earth spinning, ha ha! Oh, must have hit a meteorite shower, ha ha ha! Now, a couple of months ago, if you remember, Professor Ray Ray went down to his local physicist bar in Port Phillip Bay to meet with his fellow physicists to figure out other ways in which we can deceive the people. Okay, remember we came up with the fact that gravity is magic and it makes you think you're right side up when you're actually upside down. Well, there's some other things that Professor Ray Ray remembered, and I thought I'd do a lesson about it today, okay? Now, also what I forgot to mention was this gravity that blocks out the 90 million miles of space between here and the sun. Okay, that's why when you look at the sun during the daytime, you can't see any space. Because gravity, once again, is magic. But we also discovered something else about gravity that I forgot to mention. It makes us think we are motionless when we are actually spinning at 1,040 miles an hour, and we are spinning around the sun at 60,000 miles an hour. Now that's all I can show you today because I haven't figured out how to show the sun spinning around the universe and the universe spinning around the galaxy. Ha ha ha! But it is true. You have to trust the science. Just trust us. So for today's experiment, I'm only going to show you the Earth spinning at 1,040 miles an hour and also the Earth spinning around the sun at 60,000 miles an hour, okay? Now to simulate this, I've strapped my mobile phone to a basketball. I'm going to spin the basketball at 1,040 miles an hour, and then I'm going to spin the basketball around the sun at 60,000 miles an hour. Now we're going to have to go outside to have a look at my sun. Now just before I start my experiment, I want you to come over here and look at my beautiful sun. Okay, now the first part of this experiment is to simulate the Earth spinning at 1,040 miles an hour. Ready? Here we go. Now the second part of this experiment is to simulate the Earth spinning around the sun at 60,000 miles an hour. Here we go. Oh yeah! It's spinning, it's spinning, never stop spinning. Around, around, around it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Okay. So I'm simulating the Earth spinning at 1,040 miles an hour, spinning around the sun at 60,000 miles an hour. Now I hope you like this experiment because Professor Ray Ray is getting very dizzy. I hope you guys like Professor Ray Ray's experiment. You'll have to excuse me for a minute. I'm feeling a bit dizzy. Oh, that's spinning. Now can you imagine? Now could you imagine how much more freaky it would be if I could simulate the sun spinning around the universe and then the universe spinning around the galaxy? Ha ha ha! So it would be like putting a cocktail shaker and shaking really hard. Shake, 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 shake. And then it would be like putting a blender, and then it would be like putting a washing machine. just like this.
See? That's why we can't feel it. Is everybody alright in there? You got a bit of a headache? Okay. This is what you gotta do. Okay, now. The Earth spins 1,040 miles an hour. To simulate it, you have to do this. Yeah, and then the Earth's spinning around the sun. What you gotta do is you gotta go like this. Oh yeah! Hey, all my gloves are different colours because Pluto ate it. You know, Pluto, the planet. Now, you really want to feel the Earth spinning around the universe at 1,000,000 miles an hour, you gotta do this. Oh, yeah, I can feel it spinning. Oh, yeah.
So I hope I've been able to show you guys today that the Earth never stops spinning and how gravity, once again, is magic. Hope you like this latest installation of Professor Ray Ray's new show, The Earth is Spinning, with Professor Ray Ray. Yay! Earth is spinning, yay!